Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about HandBrake tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to rotate or correct or adjust your video rotation with HandBrake. Let me show you how. So, like for instance, this particular video here, I'm going to use this as an example. If I click on play button right here, you'll find out that this video here is being rotated in the wrong way. This can happen anytime you are trying to set your camera. Maybe you make a mistake when you are trying to correct the rotation of your camera, and as a result of that, that does not mean the complete video is useless. You can use HandBrake to correct the video rotation in a few seconds. Let me quickly show you on how to correct this particular video in a proper way, or whatever rotation of your choice as the case may be, using your HandBrake free software. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead. I'm going to stop this video right here. I'm going to close this tab, and we have the video right here. So this is the video right here, and next thing I'm going to do right here, video right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and minimize, and I'm going to close this tab right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our HandBrake. So I'm going to click on it and press enter key on my keyboard, and then in a few seconds the HandBrake software is going to close up the interface just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do is to drag and drop the file that we want to rotate into the workspace, and for that I'm going to go ahead and bring out this folder, and this is the video right here. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the video into the interface right here. So you can see the video in the preview tab right here. So how do we rotate this video in a proper way? Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure we navigate to dimension right here, and then under the dimension, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on these rotation options. We can rotate to different degree right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on rotate to 90 degree. Once you rotate, you can always use your preview button right here, and then you can see the result right here. So I'm going to close this tab. Then I'll come back to rotation right here. Let's go ahead and check on 180 degree. Go back to our preview right here, and we have something not good. I'm going to close this tab. We'll come back to rotation right here to 70 degree. Come back to the preview perfectly. So we have the kind of the size that we are looking for. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this tab right here, just like so. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go back to summary to check on the preview as well. You can see the preview has fully changed. So finally, we want to go ahead and make sure we hit or start encoding from the top right here. And in a few seconds, your project will start to encoding, just like what you see right here. So allow the project to completely with the encoding, and with that, your video is going to be fully rotated to the kind of angle and the setting you use in your HandBrake software. It's that simple. Just like so, you can see queue finished, which simply means that the job has been export successful. Next thing we want to do is to go back to the folder right here. So this is the folder, just like so. You can see now that the video has been fully changed the rotation. So you can see this is the job after we rotate, and this is before. So if I go ahead and click on after rotation and open up the video, and then you find out that the video has been fully corrected, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your HandBrake software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.